Hey guys, Reviews More back with a quick kitchen item review. This is on the Amazon Basic Spiralizer, also known as a food slicer, sometimes called a food processor with like a hand crank. More commonly, there's the name brand of it called the veggetti, so like spaghetti but with vegetables. So this thing is totally designed to basically make noodles and slices and spiral cuts of various vegetables that can be placed into the spiralizer slash name brand veggetti. So before we begin with a real review, we're going to go ahead and ask that you please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and thank you so much if you choose to do that. If not, no big deal, but if you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. So this is a cool item from Amazon Basics, primarily because it used to be kind of expensive. It was like 15 bucks, and then they kind of knocked down the price to $6. It's an add-on item, so it's like $6 to $7 now as an add-on item. So if you get 25 bucks for the stuff from Amazon, it kind of gets included in the shipping, so you can kind of keep it in your cart until that one day where you make a bigger purchase, and boom, it comes to you as a surprise, or you can just order it along with a bunch of other stuff, and it will show up. It comes with 3 separate blades, one for making just standard slices, like for lack of it, makes like a long band of whatever vegetable you're cutting up. There's also a thin noodle and a thick noodle setting. When this one, you're going to see a thick noodle setting. If you're watching the video, you might have noticed that it gets stuck to the table really easy because it has 4 little suction cup feet, which are very, very helpful. Overall, it works perfectly, just as designed. It's idiot proof. And to that end, there's no instructions with it. There's not one bit of instructions. They don't send you any paperwork. They're like, figure it out, stupid. It's not that hard. And it really isn't. So it's very simple. It'll accommodate a fairly large vegetable. So like a large size cucumber will fit in there, but not like an English cucumber that's like almost 2 feet long. So you're looking for the average seeded cucumber that's going to fit in there. The demonstration you're going to see is zucchini, so we're making what's popularly known as zoodles, because we're going to make some zoodles instead of using a spaghetti noodles. We're going to make little spaghetti noodle size zucchini noodles. So that's what you're going to see a video of here. It works very effectively. It's easy to clean. It wipes down really quick. Nice blades, BPA free. You don't really need me to talk a whole lot because you can basically see what's happening here. It only goes in one way, so you're not going to put the blade in backwards because it won't slide in. It's pretty idiot-proof storage for those 2 blades, pretty simple. And here's the actual slicing that's happening. It'll core out the center, and as it's slicing, like nice little veggie noodles will start coming out the other end. So you can see my arm right now because I'm not a good cinematographer. But you'll basically just see all the noodles start spilling out, and one zucchini makes a good bowl of noodles. I mean, you get a good effective use out of it. And so here you go. I'm not going to blab on much longer. Just know it's a good item, especially for the price of under 10 bucks. It's a great little item. So if you like it, please give a thumbs up. And I might put some elevator music over the rest of this just so you have something to listen to besides just, the emptiness of your headphones and or speakers. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you like it and thumb up the video. Thanks again.